Meet Miss Jennifer, an entrepreneur in Dubai. From the last few days, she was planning to buy a modern office desk that provides an aesthetic touch to her workspace. But she could not figure out where to buy best quality office desks and furniture at reasonable prices. Meanwhile, one of her friends suggested her to check out the online furniture collections offered by Mahmayi Office Furniture. After browsing through their website, he got to know that it is a leading wholesale distributor of commercial office furniture in Dubai. She got to know that they have a wide range of office desks available in different colors, materials, sizes and designs. All their office furniture items are available at affordable prices with 5 years of warranty. She was glad to know that they offer free doorstep delivery along with professional fitting assistance. So, without hesitating further, she placed an order immediately. If you are searching for the same, browse through https://mahmayi.com/tp. Check out their latest collections.